Welcome to this walk around video of this BMW M140i Shadow Edition. My name is Ish from Goldheart Automotive, and this is it's a really special car. It's a 2018 68 plate M140i. A whole host of modifications, from it being a Stage 2 Plus, lowering springs, LSD, and of course the body kit. So let's start with the front end. So you have these M3, M4 style grills. All the chrome has been wrapped in gloss black. So you have the front canards and the front KSB splitter. Bodywork is in really good condition, so hardly any stone chips on the front. It has done 37,000 miles, so it's expected to be a few stone chips, but nothing major. These alloy wheels are the upgraded alloy wheels. They're kind of like the CSL style. They're completely unmarked and uncurbed. You have Michelin PS5s all the way around with plenty of tread. They're only 2,000 miles. To the side you have the M4 style wing mirror caps finished in gloss black. And you also have the KSB side skirts. And again, on the rear, Michelin PS5. No spacers on these wheels. Just the way the wheel alloys sit, they're just sitting a little bit wider than standard. Towards the rear, you have the rear boot spoiler, KSB rear diffuser with the rear slats, carbon exhaust tips. This does have a Remus back box as well. So at the end of the video, we'll show you a bit how it sounds. And going on this side, very much the same story. So aftermarket alloys, Michelin PS5s, M4 style wing mirrors, gloss black side skirts. And overall, the bodywork is in fantastic condition. I'll show you the engine. So this is a Stage 2 Plus car running around 480 brake horsepower. You have the Bilstein dampening kit, LSD. So you have the MST performance intake. And it would also have the high pressure fuel pump. Going inside the car. So really good specification from ProNav, heated seats, cruise control, Harmon Kardon, front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, and it also has Apple CarPlay installed. But inside's really clean, hasn't been smoked in, no rips, no tears. And of course it has the all-important LSD. So what I'll do now, I'll show you what the Remus exhaust sounds like. So as you can hear, in sport mode there's pops and bangs, but in comfort mode it's quite tame. But yeah, so we have all the invoices for the Remus exhaust, the Wavetrac LSD, the spring, so we do have invoices available. But yeah, really special car. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We offer all dealer facilities such as finance, part exchange, warranty, delivery. So yeah, any questions you have, please reach out, and yeah, we'll be more than happy to answer them. Thanks for watching.